Hello friends, welcome to our first online lecture. As I used to say, this semester is my favorite semester. I hope everyone is fine and you will try your best to learn maximum from this online lecture series. To begin with, I will briefly introduce our syllabus. As you can see here, the title of our paper is Comparative Government and Politics. In other words, it is simply War Constitutions. Political Science Paper 4, BA 4th semester under Manipur University. This is how the content of the syllabus looks like. As usual, it has 5 units. Each unit contains the constitutions of one country each. The first unit has the Constitution of UK, the second has USA, the third Japan, the fourth People's Republic of China, and the fifth Switzerland. However, I'm not going to take all the units. I'll be taking up only the second and third unit, whereas the remaining units will be taken up by other teachers. In the second unit, there is the Constitutions of USA. We'll be discussing about the federal system, the president, which is the executive branch of the government, the Congress, which is the legislative branch of the government, and the Supreme Court, which is the judiciary branch of the government of USA. Apart from this, we will be discussing about separation of powers and checks and balances, and finally, political parties in the United States. In the third unit, there is the Constitutions of Japan. We'll be discussing about the position and function of the Emperor of Japan, the Constitutions of 1947, the Diet, meaning the Diet in the context of Japan means the legislative branch of the government, political parties, and factional politics. This is the reading list given in the syllabus, so you can check out some of the books, and as we begin our online regular classes, you can start reading either one or two of the books. In case you have any problem, feel free to contact me anytime, maybe through message or through phone call. I will try my best to help you in whatever way I can. And in this online lecture series, I will try to be very brief. I will not make the video long so that you can learn maximum without wasting much of your time. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.